translate something, well, I'm going to show you how you can do that in a matter of seconds using Google Docs. So as you can see here, I've created a new document in Google Docs, which I showed you how you can access through your Google Drive. And I went ahead and I pasted a poem that is written in Spanish. I'm going to go ahead and show you right now how I can translate this to English or any other language, but we're going to use English for this video in a matter of seconds. So I'm going to go up here to Tools at the very top. I'm going to select Translate Document. This box pops up and you can go ahead and rename the file. So what it does is it creates a copy of your file so that you don't lose your original content. But if you needed to rename it, just do that here. You'll go ahead here and you're going to choose the language. Let's scroll down to English. Boom. And I'm going to click Translate. It creates a new file. And there you go. Now we quickly have a poem translated into English in no time. Just like that, you too can tech.